Hello everyone, I am Varsha
And I am Vibhor.
I welcome to you all to LSD News.
Oh हाँ, news. मैं
Yeah.
line भूल गया, but कोई बात नहीं. So we have LSD Part 2 coming up, which is एक दिन का शहंशाह.
I'm sure that you all guys are really bugged up with NCP, CP, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. So I'm inviting you all to come to the LSD 2014 and bid for your team.
चलो आओ थोड़ी मजे करें, थोड़ी खलबली मचाएं और थोड़े लोगों से बात करें. तो फिर चलें?
चलें.
तो आज है हम समावेश के हर्षदीप के हर्ष के साथ. So let's welcome Harsh. Hey Harsh. Okay, so have you heard of LSD?
Yeah,
Live Satta Darbar. Have you heard that LSD Part 2 is coming back to IBS?
yeah, I just got to know right now.
Awesome. ठीक है, 18th. Okay. So Harsh, what is the one team? Which is the one team that you support in terms of football? A football team that you support?
See, I'm not a football fan, but I would say Manchester United because it's my brother's favorite team. So just because of that, generally I laugh whenever I watch football.
Perfect. ठीक है. खासी मजाक होती रहेगी. How about okay? If you were to come and play LSD Part 2,
Yeah.
What would you name your team? It can be anything.
It should be something desi, so I would say Fodu Punjabi.
फोड़ू पंजाबी ब्रा एकदम. हाँ. ठीक है तो. See you on the 18th with Fodu Punjabi, 6:30 for LSD Part 2. Now we are with the popular Vyas Ji from Newswire. So let's introduce Vyas Ji. Hey.
Hi.
Okay, so have you heard of LSD?
Yes.
Have you heard that LSD Part 2 is coming back to IBS?
Yeah, it's on 18.
18. Perfect. See, he knows. Yes, marketing is working. Okay. So if you had to pick a team, what team do you generally support? A football team.
See, I support Chelsea. The reason for being is that my best friend supports Man U.
Okay.
So we are rivals.
Oh,
So I
perfect
have to
rivalry.
choose this.
Awesome.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And if you were to come on the 18th and play LSD Part 2 with us, what would you name your team?
My team would be Mast Kalandar.
मस्त कलंदर. बहुत बढ़िया. Perfect. Then see you on the 18th with LSD Part 2. तो आज मैं हूँ मैवरिक की प्रेसिडेंट मन्नत के साथ. वेलकम मन्नत. Hey मन्नत.
Hi.
So okay, have you heard of LSD?
Yes, I've heard of LSD.
Have you heard of LSD Part 2 coming back in
Yes,
IBS?
I've heard of LSD part.
Awesome. Okay, so it's going to happen on the 18th. Alright, so I'm going to ask you, which is the one team that you support, be it a club or an international country, whatever?
I'm not too much of a football freak, so the only thing that comes to my mind is Man U. So yes.
Man U, of course it is. Alright, so if you were to play LSD Part 2 here at IBS on the 18th, what would you name your team?
Angrezi beat.
Angrezi Beat, I know, बड़ा generic है, बड़ा सही है. Okay, awesome. So Angrezi Beat, so she's going to be there representing Angrezi Beat on the 18th in the seminar hall. So catch Mannat on the 18th. Now we have MJ aka Munshi Ji. Hi.
Hello.
Okay, so have you heard of LSD? Have you heard that LSD Part 2 is coming back to IBS?
Yes.
Perfect. So on the 18th, LSD Part 2 is here. Okay, so which is the one team that you support, a football team?
Brazil.
Brazil. Ooh, okay then.
Isn't that obvious?
Is it? It is actually. Alright, and if you were to play LSD Part 2, what would you name your team?
The name for my team?
Yep.
How about Comet?
Comet. Why Comet?
Have you seen the players of Brazil play? You see how fast they are?
Perfect. So Comet for him, okay? Comet, go Comet. Perfect. So see you on the 18th playing LSD
For
Part
sure.
2.
For sure.
Thanks. So I am here today with Sir Somanna. So welcome.
Thank you.
Somanna, have you heard of LSD?
Yeah, definitely.
And are you aware that LSD Part 2 is coming back to IBS?
Yeah, being active in Facebook, I have seen your posters.
Marketing is working, guys. Okay, awesome. So Somanna, name the team that you support?
Basically, I'm a Chelsea fan, so I'll be naming my team as Blues, with the Devil Blue.
Perfect. So if you come for the event, that's what you're naming your team, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So the name's gonna be Chelsea Blues.
That is Devil Blue.
Devil Blues, Devil Blues, woohoo! Alright then, see you on this 18th LSD Part 2.
Sure.
So I'm here with two interesting people. I have Mr. Nazaria on my right and I have Mr. 007 on my left. Hello guys. Okay, so are you guys aware of LSD Part 1 that happened last year?
Obviously, we did play.
Okay, are you aware that LSD Part 2 is coming back to IBS?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay. So, alright, what is the one football team that you support?
Manchester United.
MU and
Arsenal.
Arsenal. Perfect. Okay. What if you guys are there playing LSD with us? What will you name your teams?
I would name it Whistle Podu FC.
Whistle Podu FC. Oh yeah.
Desi Durandars.
Desi Durandars. Awesome then. We will see Whistle Podu FCs. Whistle Podu FCs and Desi Durandars on the 18th LSD Part 2. So now we are with Tushar, just karte dharte of Vabs and karte dharte of Samavesh. Hi. Okay, so have you heard of LSD? Okay, have you heard that LSD Part 2 is coming back in IBS?
Yeah, that I will.
चलो ठीक है चलो कहीं तो हुआ कहीं तो understanding हुई. Okay, so what is the one football team that you support?
It's Liverpool football club.
Liverpool Football Club. देखो सारे different LSD Liverpool. Okay, and if you were to play LSD Part 2, what would you name your team?
I would name it as Bill Shankly's Reds.
Bill Shankly's Red. ये है थोड़ा intellectual complicated नाम but okay. So see you on the 18th Bill Shankly's Clubs Reds.
Reds.
So we are with Vabs के खिलाड़ी Aditya aka Adi, how everybody knows him. Introducing Adi. Hi. So Adi, have you heard of LSD?
Yes.
Have you heard of LSD Part 2 coming back to IBS?
Yes, pretty much.
Of course, okay. So LSD is coming back on the 18th at 6:30 where everybody's going to be. So I'm going to ask you a question. Which team were you supporting or which team do you support generally?
I'm a Barcelona fan. Yeah, big Messi fan.
Okay. And if I tell you that if you were to come and play LSD Part 2 and you're the manager, and what would you name your team?
I would name it Barca's Blackhawks.
Barca's Blackhawks, nice. Perfect then see you on the 18th
Sure.
at 6:30 with Barca Blackhawks. And I see you guys on the 18th as well.
Hello everyone, this is Saloni Anand. This is Ashita Jethwani. And we welcome you all to LSD 2.0.
एक दिन के शहंशाह.
So see you all at 18th September, 6:30 p.m. Seminar Hall.
Let's live the football passion.